Hello, I'm Evan with Woo Ninjas. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today's video is about add custom schema to WordPress without a plugin. So quickly, what is schema? It's structured data that helps search engines understand your content better. That's how you get things like star ratings, FAQs, product info, and rich snippets in Google. Without it, your content is still there, but you're not fully optimized. Step 1. Choose the right schema. First thing, you need to pick the correct schema type. For example, if it's a blog post, use article schema. If it's a product, use product schema. If it's FAQs, use FAQ schema. The rule is simple. Your schema must match your page content. Now let's generate the schema. In this video, I'm using a JSON-LD generator to create the schema code. It helps quickly build structured data without manual errors. Now just fill in your details. Article type, URL, headline, author type, author and image. Once you fill in all of the required details, click Generate. You'll get something like this. That's your final schema code. Now let's add it to your site. If it's a page-specific schema like article, open your post, add a custom HTML block, and then paste the code. Once you're done, click on Save. Or if you're using Elementor, add an HTML widget and paste it there. To do this, click on Edit Elementor, navigate to Widgets, and type HTML. Paste your code and then click on Publish. Before you're done, always test it. To verify, you can use Google Rich Results Test or a schema validator. Once you open the Google Rich Results Test, simply paste your page URL, choose Google Inspection Tool Desktop, and click Test URL. Within a few seconds, you'll see a results screen just like this. If everything is set up correctly, you'll get a green check mark with one valid item detected. This means your structured data is working and your page is eligible for rich results in search. You can also validate your markup using the schema validator. Just paste your page URL into the Fetch URL field and click Run Test. The tool will scan your page and display all detected schema types, the structure of your JSON-LD, any errors or missing properties. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon below. Thanks for watching.